Hey, good evening or good morning. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. Okay, I want to look at the airlines real quick. First of all, you probably know what's going on with Southwest. The CEO announced that they are going to be obeying the mandate from the White House that everybody that works for him be vaccinated by, I don't know, I think it's December 3rd or 5th or something like that. It doesn't matter. Now, that's not a law, by the way. That's just somebody saying, "Hey, you need to do this." I remember when I was a kid, my dad told me I had to sit at the table till I ate my peas. And I didn't eat those peas, and he finally wound up grabbing me out of the chair, spanking me, and then sending me to bed early. But I didn't eat the damn peas. So bottom line is, just because somebody tells you to do something, you don't have to do it, but still they're doing it. Okay, fine, no complaints on my part, but make no mistake about it. That's why they're having to cancel all these flights, and I'm not going to go into the details there. Just look it up, and it ain't the weather. Okay, so what are we going to do? I think this is an opportunity. Frankly, with Southwest, if for a certain kind of trader, you could buy this stock right now, give it about a 3.5, maybe 3.7% risk. And I think the stock's poised to move higher again. It's already had a heck of a move lower. And the thing is, okay, we know already what's going on. And so how could it get worse? Answer, not really thinking that it can. Now, how can it get better? Well, it really isn't a law. It's just a mandate by one part of the government, one of the three parts, and it's not even the part that actually makes the laws. It's the part that enforces the laws, and there's no law to enforce. It's just one guy or somebody in the administration saying, do this, and these guys are saying, okay. The reason I'm going into this is this crap is not over yet. It's not going to happen. I mean, it might, but it doesn't have to. And so you have to look at the types of volatility moves here as being opportunities. Trust me, whatever's going on with the whole vaccine and all that jazz, these things aren't doing that. I think they're giving you an opportunity. I can't say for a long-term trade. Any long-term investment starts with a short-term trade. I would say now Delta, they report earnings tomorrow, so who the heck knows what's going to happen. But if, in fact, Delta does start moving higher, you got to look at the rest of these. You got to look at LUV. You got to look at even Hawaiian Holdings. They're going to the mask capital of the world. So you're buying these guys with a stop, right here. Give it 6.5% room, or maybe just down here at 2075. What I'm saying is, even though these stocks don't fit the typical pattern, the fact that they're all doing the same thing should give you some sense that there's some opportunities here. Here's the ETF. Same thing. Zigzag. Let's see. The hits keep coming. JetBlue, nice potential takeoff off the bottom here. They don't report earnings for another couple weeks. Buying it here, setting a stop down here, 4.5%. But wait, there's more. Okay? American Airlines, they report on the 21st, okay, 9 days from now. A lot of kind of overhead here. This is a fairly steep fall here, but this could work. UAL, it's probably not my best choice here as I just look at this. But so what I'm saying is, man, there's a lot of opportunities in the airline stocks. Everybody, you hear about it, like what's happening with Southwest, and the consensus is, oh, you got to stay away from these stocks. Well, as I look at them, sure, I get that. but maybe you don't need to stay away from them. Maybe you need to start looking at this pullback after, by the way, this big breakout here. Maybe you need to look at this pullback as an opportunity to catch the first correction after a breakout. So anyway, that's how I'm trading these things. I hope this works for you. See you next time.